I know I'd go back to you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I promised you guys a giveaway. I had such a good response last time about my little flip book and tassel that I made. I figured I would make a tassel in today's video, and definitely stick around till the end because I do have a giveaway. So the tassel that I want to make for you guys today is, I'm going to be calling it like a junk tassel, because it's just like an array of different ribbons and stuff. So in this case, I'm going to use just a bunch of traditional Halloween colors and Halloween ribbon. I'm going to be using some like sequin. And that's kind of the reason that I call it a junk tassel, because you literally can use whatever you have laying around. It doesn't have to be the same ribbon. So just use whatever you have laying around, bunch it together, and then make it into a tassel. It looks super, super cute. So just to start off with, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using. I bought these 4 ribbon here at Dollar Tree recently, and I do plan to incorporate them as well as some others that I'll show you. But so I am gonna use this green, it's like a gemstone kind of ribbon, but I'm only gonna use one. Like, I'm gonna cut one of the rows off and use it. And the first thing you want to do is just kind of figure out like how long you want your tassel to be. And I feel like that right there is pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that. And then I'm just going to work off of that. So I'm going to get all of these measured out. Really love this color for Halloween. Very cute. It reminds me of like witch colors. And I'm definitely going to put some glue. If you don't add something to the end of this, it will, you can see this one, the one that's just been sitting on the roll, it'll start unraveling. So I'm definitely gonna add maybe some hot glue or something to the end of that one eventually. Okay, so I think that that is probably good for what I want. Ooh, see my tassel, my sequins and stuff are already trying to come undone there. Okay, so I am going to now, let me go ahead and secure all of these. So now I have all of those together. I'm just gonna kind of start stacking them up. No particular order necessarily. All right, so once you've done that, you just want to make sure that you have something to secure it tightly. In this case, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just use this baker's twine that I have. And you're gonna make your little loop that will keep them all together kind of in the middle there. So this is where you just want to, oh, I'm sorry. So get about this size. You just want to kind of gather them at the middle, just the best you can. It's not like a huge deal, but just like this. And then you are just going to take your baker's twine and secure them together. The best that you can in the middle. So just like this. And just make sure it's nice and tight. And then you're gonna go ahead and just do you. Honestly, I probably should have made my baker's twine just a little bit longer, but it's not a huge deal. Just attach it however you like. So you can put you like a little key ring or something like that around that to attach to something else. So then you're gonna take you a much, much longer, whatever you want. You could use yarn, you could use baker's twine. I'm gonna go ahead and stick with the same baker's twine that I had used. And you're just gonna kind of gather them. Now, if you accidentally like got your ribbon off a little bit, you can go ahead and at this time adjust it. But I feel pretty good with mine. Maybe adjust these a little bit. See how this one kind of got flipped over? So just kind of flip it back. There we go. Just where it's facing the correct direction. And then you're gonna pull it down. And again, just kind of make sure everything's going the right direction. Okay, that looks pretty good. Just kind of want that to be, there we go. Okay, so at this point you can either put put a dot of hot glue and just kind of attach this to it. I decided to go ahead and tie it. That way I can tie it securely down and then I'll start wrapping. But you could always just place a dot of hot glue and put the end on it and then just start wrapping it. But I just went ahead and decided to do it like this. I don't know why, no particular reason really. And then make sure it's nice and tight, snip it there, and then you're just gonna start wrapping it. So I kind of like to go around like this a few times and then start heading down. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. And then once I get about like that, I'll kind of start going back up again. And then once you're happy with the wrapping, you want to make sure you're doing this with really tight tension the whole time. I go ahead and do myself some hot glue right here, and then continuing to pull it tight, go ahead and pull it down. And even after you've wrapped it, you can still kind of mess with it a little bit and try to manipulate the ribbon and stuff like that. But yeah, like I'm fine with how it turned out. I don't really feel like I need to manipulate it too much. I think it's super cute. So what I'm gonna do is right here where you can see I cut the baker's twine, I'm gonna go ahead and put another little glue dot on the end of that just so it doesn't fray or anything. And again, just making sure it stays down. Now I like to add little things to cover up these ugly like glue patches. I like to add, in this case, I think I'm gonna add, I think I might add, that spider's a little bit big. I might add this little skull guy maybe. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and add him to it. You can definitely do a neater job on this than I did, but because it is kind of layered up, you can see my hot glue marks through it, but whatever. I still think it looks really cute. You have to be looking pretty closely to notice the hot glue marks. But I just did a little skull, and I took the bones and made little crossbones, so I made it into a skull and crossbones on there. So yeah, it's super easy just to do this. You could add a little ring to it if you wanted to attach it to something. So you could just kind of clean that up a little bit and then just attach this. And yeah, and then you could just add it to make it into like a little key-ring. So that is my how to junk tassel tutorial. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. I'd be more than happy to answer them. But yeah, you can just kind of use whatever you want. If you've got a bunch of just like scrap ribbons laying around, this would be a good thing to make out of it. I think it turned out really cute. It's the whole junk aspect of it, in my opinion, that makes it so cute. It's not all the same, it's all different. And yeah, I just really love it. So I will be actually giving this away. So this is my giveaway if you're interested in receiving this tassel along with some other surprises. Go ahead and like this video. And if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. And then down in the comment section, I want you guys to comment. What is your favorite type of video that I make? Is it how-tos? Is it Happy Mail openings, packing up? Is it shopping hauls? What is your favorite type of video to watch? Because I am very, very interested in what your favorite is. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, but also remember, give it a thumbs up as a part of my giveaway. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.